right, we're at 37 Union Square West, and look at this. It's a Curtis elevator. It's a vintage Curtis. Hopefully this thing works. Oh, I hear it coming. Look at this, y'all. This is a Curtis elevator, completely original. Yep, it's working. I see the indicator. This is awesome, y'all. There's another one that is way smaller than this one, but it's unfortunately modernized. I am not gonna bother getting that one, I'm sorry. And here it is. Yes, this is original. Awesome! Awesome! Look at these fixtures. There's a gymnasium on the second floor. There's no floor indicator here. Yes, my very first Curtis elevator. Awesome, y'all. Woo! That stopped really hard. Hi, I'm just interested in this old elevator. Sorry if it interferes you.
No, you're totally fine.
Okay, thank you. Oh, I love the relays. I think people aren't needing to use this. Oh, what do you know? Look at this. I see the Curtis nameplate. Curtis Elevator Company. Whoa, let's stop hard. This is so worth checking out, y'all. Wonder what kind of fixtures these are. This is awesome. Thankfully, the receptionist on the 4th floor didn't mind us filming. Let's see if you can hear the real. Are you coming down?
You going down?
Yes, I am. I'm just admiring this elevator. Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, you too.
This has got to be single speed. I'm not sure if you hear the relay. I love this elevator. Despite the cab has been modified, but more so, I love these fixtures. This is awesome. I absolutely love this elevator. Another one of the best finds in New York City. I didn't even know this was here. Since South Florida and New York City Elevators Beyond has last recorded this. Awesome. Love the relays. All right, I'm gonna let it shut. I'm gonna have to take some pictures of this. All right, hear this motor, here we go. I get one last view of the fixtures and we're gonna go ahead and end. Wonder what the up-down does. Oh, that doesn't do anything. That's your floor indicator right here, which obviously doesn't work. It's a beautiful elevator. Before I go, Curtis Elevator Company. All right, we're gonna let this thing go. Love this call button. All right, well, anyways, that was worth checking out. But anyways, there it goes, and that's it.